Taking the floor because of this serious matter. A lot of clamors around because of the importation of rice during harvest season. So I'd like to sponsor a resolution together with Board Member Matt Palabrica. A resolution requesting the Department of Agriculture to stop, divert the schedule of rice importation during harvest season in the province of Iloilo for the year 2023 onwards. Whereas Rice Tariffication Law, RA 11203, in Section 10, a new section is hereby inserted after the new Section 9 of RA number 8178 as amended, to read as follows. Section 10, Special Rice Safeguard. In order to protect the Philippine rice industry from sudden or extreme price fluctuation, a special safeguard duty on rice shall be imposed in accordance with Republic Act number 8800, otherwise known as the Safeguard Measures Act, and its implementing rules and regulations. Whereas the province of Iloilo has attained a 174.75% of rice sufficiency level in the year 2021, thus importing rice during harvest season, especially during harvest season, is not necessary. Resolved further, it is hereby resolved to request the Department of Agriculture to divert the importation of rice during the peak of the harvest season in the province of Iloilo. Resolved further, to furnish copies of resolution to His Excellency President Ferdinand Bongbong R. Marcos Jr., Secretary of the Department of Agriculture, Malacanang Palace, Metro Manila, and also to the Regional Director of the Department of Agriculture, Regional Field Office 6, Iloilo City, and the Office of the Provincial Agriculturist, Province of Iloilo, and to the 5 congressmen of the five districts of this province. Thank you, and good afternoon.
Mr. Presiding Officer, may I be allowed to sponsor that resolution?
Of course. Sponsor, Vice Governor. Everybody sponsor.
Co-sponsor.
The congressman
Miss Owa.
Yes, okay. Bisua.
And the city.
And the whereas will be on the wit and wisdom of the Secretariat. No? Sir Raul. Okay. Tanang kita sponsor?
Co-sponsor tanan.
Balak mo da.
Okay. So move.
Rolito moves that such a proposed resolution be approved.
So move. Any second motion? Unanimously seconded. Motion is approved.